everything wrong so everyone can see you. Hi! This is Trevor Anderson with TechnoTrain. Normally, I don't bring people into my process, but hey, let's do a video. What we're gonna be doing today is Foley work, and if you don't know what Foley work is, basically, it's making sound effects in a sound dampened room. And as you can see, we've got a nice little setup. Let's go ahead and get some audio. Okay, so basically I've got my task cam here, which is recording the audio, and I've got my microphone down there ready to capture the sound that I'm gonna hit on this padded floor. Look at this big long list I gotta get. All these bits of audio. Gotta get them all. Are we having fun yet? Okay, we're officially getting dangerous now. No second chances with that one. Okay, so next I'm going to take this concrete block, which I pulled in from outdoors. Now I can't show you any of the footage, but this script requires a very nuanced use of glass and concrete. And so I'm gonna try to achieve some of those sounds. Now you think it might sound best if I just take some glass across concrete, but that's not necessarily true. This is cinema. Everything's different. You ever heard lightning? Listen to this. That doesn't sound anything like real lightning. Nothing. Oh, that's some spooky sounds though. Oh, that can't be good. Ooh, that's it. That's close. I'm gonna tell you a secret. It was glass. Glass was the best option. Glass on concrete. That's the sound I was going for. All right, now we're gonna do shoes on pavement. I got some old shoes. I don't know, I got a joke for that. Shoes on pavement, what do you want? Oh, I really like that. That was even better, yeah, boy. Oh, the AC is back on. And that's all for today. I can't share all my secrets with you because look at this timeline. It's really just a composition of a bunch of different audio files all strung together, laid on top of each other in interesting ways, changed and morphed to be new sounds. If you'd like to learn more, contact us. We can help you with your audio design on your films. Hopefully you guys got some tips and tricks and found some inspiration to do your own audio design. But not as good as mine. Just hire me. That's easier. Bye!